What is a pre-assist in soccer and why is it important? Imagine watching a game and noticing a player making a clever pass that sets up the real goal scorer. That little move before the assist is what we call a pre-assist. It might seem small, but it plays a big role in how teams create scoring chances. A pre-assist is the pass or action that happens right before the assist that leads to a goal. If player A passes to player B, who then passes to player C for the goal, player A's pass is the pre-assist. Some call it a secondary assist. It shows the build-up that often goes unnoticed in traditional stats, which only count the last pass before the goal. Why is this important? Because it helps us see the full picture of a player's contribution to attacking plays. While assists highlight the player who makes the final pass, pre-assists reveal those who help start or advance the move earlier. This is especially useful for understanding how players influence the game beyond just the final pass. It shows their vision, creativity, and technical skill in setting up scoring chances. In player performance analysis, tracking pre-assists helps identify players who are key in creating opportunities. These players often operate in critical zones on the field. Zone A is between the midfield and defensive lines, where breaking through can lead to chances. Zone B is outside the last defensive line, helping stretch the defense and open gaps. Zone C is behind the last defensive line, often leading directly to goal-scoring opportunities. Recognizing pre-assists highlights how players work together to build attacks, not just finish them. Some leagues, like Major League Soccer, officially count pre-assists as part of their statistics. This practice, borrowed from hockey, shows how important the pass before the assist really is. It helps coaches and scouts see which players are involved in the entire sequence of creating goals. It also gives fans a fuller understanding of how offensive plays develop. In short, a pre-assist is the pass before the assist that results in a goal. It uncovers the full chain of playmaking, showing how players contribute to offensive build-up. It helps us appreciate players who help create chances even if they do not score or make the final pass. Tracking pre-assists adds depth to offensive player metrics, giving a clearer picture of how teams and players work together to score.